Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palm City local and long-distance movers near me. We can transport your stuff safely locally, interstate, or within the same state. We have a good working relationship with the federal and local agencies in charge of the relocation. We also have insurance coverage to cover any risk liabilities that may arise during or after the move. Our careful movers and drivers will ensure that your possessions arrive at their location without being damaged or lost. Our services are reasonably priced, and we never take advantage of our customers. A local move is usually far less expensive than a long-distance transfer. It's the same with us. Our local moving charges are very reasonable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our hardworking and certified professional movers will give you excellent value for your money. We are familiar with congested locations in cities, so you can be assured that your items will arrive securely and on time. Our devoted movers and drivers will deliver your belongings to their destination without losing or destroying them. Our services are pretty affordable, and we make it a point not to rip our customers off. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.